Hey guys, let's dive into more aviation bites. This Lufthansa Airbus A340 is forced to perform a high-speed emergency landing without flaps. This Azul Airbus A320neo rejects its takeoff at high speed due to an engine problem.
Azul A320neo parando sobre a pista.
This Turkish Airlines A321 produces a unique halo effect while climbing through clouds. Back in 1997, this Alitalia MD-11 almost missed the runway when landing at famous Kaitak Airport. This Emirates A380 pilot takes an exceptionally late decision to initiate a missed approach. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more Daily Bites of Aviation.